Hi everyone, Dave here from Charest Studios, and today we're going to be taking a look at this trail cam by Releff, R-E-L-E-F-F. It is a 4K trail cam and it takes 30 megapixel still pictures. So we're going to be taking a look at it, first do an unboxing, and then I'll put it through some tests and I'll give you my thoughts on this camera. So here it is, the beautiful 4K camera by Releff, R-E-L-E-F-F. Releff was kind enough to send this to me in exchange for my honest review. So let's get into it. So here it is, the 4K trail camera by Releff. It also takes 30 megapixel still high resolution photos. IP66 waterproof. Let's take a look. So we have the instructions. So that's it, guys. There it is, what it comes with right here. Instruction manual, your 128 gigabyte card, mounting hardware strap, and camera. Charging, US micro USB cord for the footage. Review of the footage. It takes 8 AA batteries. And or it also has the port for the solar panel. Let's see, where does it have that? Yes, right here. Right there. I don't know if I can show you guys that. There's a little jack right there, and that's where your solar panel could plug into, or other battery pack, as long as it has a 3.5 millimeter jack that will support, I believe it is 2 amps. So I set it up right outside our patio to see who might be coming around for this corn that we had. Some corn stalks, we took down the corn, and the raccoon was there. This is just maybe 15 feet from our house, so I was surprised that they came that close. So as you can see, the IR night vision is very good with this camera. That's one of the best things about this camera, in my opinion, was this the good night vision. So I'm glad he didn't come in the house. And here was a trigger test that I did, and you can see it captured, turned on, and captured right as soon as the vehicle gets within sight. This is a little of time lapse, one picture every 3 seconds, and I ran it for a little while just to see how the time lapse quality would be. And this is 1080p footage from the camera. This is the audio straight from the camera. If I boost it up at all in post, I'll put a little note in here. But yeah, this is what you get for daytime footage at 1080p, and this is the audio. Okay, now this is 4K, so I don't know if there's any difference. I'll try to put them one above the other if I can, so you guys can see the difference and see, or put them side by side. Yeah, but I won't be able to talk in both clips, so I'm not sure how I'll do that. But anyway, you'll get to see both the 4K and the 1080. The 4K is 10 frames per second, as is with most most trail cameras that I've found, at least in this budget. I haven't checked anything in the hundreds of dollars, but for this budget of camera, all that I've tried do not have 4K at 30 frames per second or 25 frames per second. They're all 10 frames per second. So I like the full HD footage better than the 4K. And with the photos, here you have a 3 megapixel photo, and here you have a 30 megapixel photo. And I think the 3 megapixel looks even better than the 30 megapixel. This is 3 megapixel, that's 30 megapixel. So overall, I feel it's a very solid camera. I like the build quality a lot. The night vision, very nice night vision. Video quality is average. Picture quality is average. I love that it does time lapse in camera. A lot of action cameras in this range, price range, do not do time lapse, or if they do it only by compiling the pictures, which you have to later put together. This one will do it in camera, as you saw the little clip with the dogs, and the other little clip were both done in camera. What else can I say? I like that it comes with a 128 gigabyte card. That's a very nice little bonus. The trigger time is very good on this camera. You saw a couple samples where I posted just our coming and leaving, and that showed me that the thing triggered very well. So overall, I think this is a good, solid action camera in this price range, and it does a good job. Does very good with the night footage, as I said. So those are the strong points. I like the latches on this camera. Has very nice, solid feeling latches. I like the way they put the little. I prefer cameras when they put the tripod mount in the center here. However, this one put it here, but they really gave it a nice beefy piece of plastic. So I don't like I have an action camera where I feel that this is a little bit vulnerable, and I don't feel that so much with this one because it has this bigger chunk of plastic that it's connected to. But yeah, so overall I really love the build quality. I think it's a good, solid camera. You guys saw the footage, so judge for yourself. So that concludes my review of the Lapse 4K trail cam. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I will get back to you. I will have an affiliate link below to this camera should you choose to buy one for yourself. I'd appreciate it if you use the affiliate link. Thanks everybody. Remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.